Guys, in this video, I'm giving away 10 amazing text effects for your edits. You can use these text effects to make your edits look better and more creative. Make sure to watch till the end because I'll also show you how to use the project file and apply these effects to your own edits. So first, let's take a look at all 10 text effects.
Maria, I wanna make everything okay. Don't trust me, believe me, you have to run away. What you expect me to do? Push you away when we're both feeling blue. No lies can help with what you're going through. Some things can change, but you know it won't. Why do we wait for the worst? Everyone knows that the ending is cursed. This ship is sinking, so just say the words. Some people change, but you know I won't. Maria, I wanna make everything okay. Don't trust me.
So, to use these effects, first download the text effects project file that I've uploaded on my WhatsApp channel. Also, make sure to follow me there because I'll be uploading free 4K CCs as well. After downloading it, import the project file into After Effects and open the Comp 1 composition. As you can see, all 10 text effects are inside. You can simply choose the effect you want, copy it, and paste it directly into your own composition. Then just change the text and write whatever you want, and that's it. If you like this giveaway, make sure to subscribe. I'll also be uploading a free 5-pack of 4K CCs once this video reaches 1,000 likes. Till then, bye.